up, you sexy travelers! I'm from around the good world here, and today we're talking budget. How can you travel super cheap by organizing yourself? Let's get into it! I know I look like a hippie. Maybe not for you, but definitely for your mother. No offense to your lovely mother here. But despite my looks, I tend to be extremely organized. The last 5 years I'm traveling around the world on a budget of $7 per day. How do I manage to do that? Mostly by being as organized as possible. Now the good thing about it is that you can do it as well. What does that even mean though? Take a quick note here, and I mean it. You have to be prepared for your destination, transportation, accommodation, food and water, prices and currency, as those will help you survive another day traveling on the cheap. Let's break those down now. You know where you're going, but do you know how to get from the airport to the hostel without getting a taxi? From one city to the other? Generally from point A to point B. Google Maps will help you on that, as it provides service everywhere around the world. Just type in where from and where to, get your information and write it down. This is very important and it applies for everything in this video. Write down everything, because if you don't, you would wish that you did. Hopefully you found how to get there, so now actually you need to get there. Again, Google is your best bet. You will find plenty of information on bus schedules, trains, stations and other ways you can do it cheaper, or you can always hitchhike and arrive there for free. A great website dedicated to it is hitchwiki.org, where you can find tons of info from other hitchhikers about the best spots and much more. Definitely worth to check that out. Assumingly now you have arrived. Do you already know where you will be sleeping? Organizing beforehand saves you a ton of money and frustration. Trust me on that. Book your hostel, find how to get there and you're done. Or send some requests on couchsurfing and stay with locals for free. Yep, for free. I made a whole video the other day, so go check that out. Couchsurfing is awesome. Last option, if you feel a bit more hardcore, is to camp with your tent. It's gonna be tricky inside big cities, but in rural areas it's relatively easy depending on the place, of course. Plan ahead and write everything down, as accommodation can be very expensive. Since you already have a roof above your head, it's time for you to eat in order to maintain that sexy body. The cheapest way is to buy food from the supermarket and cook yourself. Just ask someone to tell you where's the closest one. But if you are a foodie and a budget traveler, go to Google and search for the best value for money restaurants. Then go there and enjoy your meal. Another small hack I found over the years is that when you see a place full of locals eating, that means 3 things. It's good, it's safe, it's cheap. I would go for that. Last but very important is to check the currency equivalence of your destination with your own. There's a website and an application called xe.com that you can check for that. If you don't, be prepared to spend extra unnecessary money on your first days, just because you didn't do that or possibly got scammed as a fresh tourist. Also try to Google ain't funny anymore. Try to search a bit about the prices in anything particular you would like to do. Might be sightseeing, concerts, surfing, mustard contests, whatever, you name it. Yeah, but all that destroys the feeling of freedom and discovery. My answer to you annoying guy is that yes, you're absolutely right. Even though there's always room for freedom and discovery, being that organized is kinda killing me. But this video is not about how to travel spontaneously. It's about how to save money on your journeys. You can go off the beaten track and have lots of fun discovering new things. Be prepared to pay more on that though, as you're traveling into the unknown. Wherever you are, always ask locals for everything you wanna do. Will save you lots of time and effort, while you might discover something even better than the one you were looking for in the first place. Locals always know better. Also, you can Google nope. Search the term top 5 free things to do in your destination and see what you can find. I've made some videos on some destinations that you can check out as well. All these years I've saved tons of money with these simple everyday hacks. That sounded like a commercial. I guess I should improve on that. Keep whatever you think that's beneficial and create your own unique travel style. And when you do make a video about it, maybe I can learn something new as well. Let me know about your questions and thoughts at the comments below, as I'm always glad to hear from you. If this video provides value to you, go ahead and like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel, as all these things actually make a lot of difference. Remember those stuff for your next trip, as spending less is travel more. Thanks for watching, be well and see ya!